So we come to the last question of NAT, which says two views of the same solid are given. You have to count the number of surfaces. Now attempting this question, you start from one area, you start from one position, and then you move ahead to the bottom. Okay. So how I attempted it is I started from the top. Okay. So let's count the number of surfaces. So this will be one single surface, so I can count this as one. If you can notice, this is moving across. This area is moving across, and it ends up till here. So, and also here you can notice. Okay, so this will be counted as one surface only. Okay, so I'll write it somewhere on the sides. Now, if you can notice this section, I'll mark it in yellow. This whole section, this can be counted as one surface. Okay, similarly, so this section is what I'm talking about. This is counted as only one surface. Similarly, there are four such parts, one here, one behind. Okay, so four of these sections I can count separately. Now if we look at these holes, okay, so here we have one face, another face that goes here. You can see one face is here, you can mark it in yellow, and the other face is this. You can see it in this part region. Okay, so two faces in these holes, and I can multiply it by 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them are here. Alright, now let's see here. This makes one face, this small section. These are just threads, so this thread has been just extended a little bit into the main object of concern. This is the other surface, second surface, this is the third surface. Simply one would be behind. So I can count 4 of such surfaces here. Now if we see, this is one continuous surface, this one thread is one continuous surface. This is another continuous surface. This is another continuous surface. Similarly, the bottom one, they make up 4 individual, 4 unique surfaces. This one is another one surface. It is conical in its whole circumference, so we'll count it as one surface. And this pointed edge, this pointed end, which is also a cone, we'll count it as one surface, plus 1 plus 1. So we add all of these, 12, 14, 16. So all of this count as 24. So 24 of these surfaces are there in this figure. What was required in this was visualizing. Take it step by step, divide your figure into individual parts and see there should be no clash in the surface that you're counting. You should not over count it, you should not double count it. You should see where the surface is ending and where the next surface starts. Okay, so this was the technique in solving this question.